large mountain range as high as we can over today. Being walks out of there through the creeks and streams, all these technical bank down and all the surrounding roadway area. These layers are starting to build up on top of each other. These sedimentary rocks that we see now. We also notice these layers are rock are not flat. They are thrusted upwards at about a 30 or 40 degree angle compared to the relative flat. From 1.6 billion jumping ahead to around 100 million years ago, and at that time through the collision of the tectonic plates. The North American continental plate collided with the Pacific oceanic plate, and the continental plate being lighter was thrusted upward from the oceanic plate. That's what the first rock up here we see at a 30 degree angle. It's also very complicated. Straight across the boat right now, there's a V shape, all that kind of V shape. Rock is able to bend. Who knew that rock could bend, right? Pretty impressive. If you're not into geology, right off the cliff face, 2 feet off that face, there's over 90 feet of water below you. So this is the local cliff jumping area. And luckily for everyone today, that was included in the price of your tour as well. So if you want to go for a jump, we'll drop you off.
Oh, goodness.
No takers. Good volunteer.
Very nice. Oh. Grabe ka gwapo. Tsada kayo.
So here on the left-hand side, the point that we're about to come around now, this is Blacktail Point. Across from us over there is Dead Horse Point. This is the narrowest section of the lake. It's only about a quarter mile across here. This is also the deepest area. There's an underwater trench that runs through here, and it goes down to that depth I said before at 487 feet, right down at the bottom. At one time, this was all glaciers. Geologists tell us again that this area underwent 3 separate periods of glaciation. At the height of these glaciation periods, only the very tops of these mountains were visible through the streams of ice and snow that ran north to south. Sorry, south to north, heading back up towards the Waterton town site down into the prairies. Now you will not see any glaciers. There's a couple snow-capped peaks like the one down at the end of the valley, Mount Longfellow, and on the way back I'll point out another snowfield, but there are no glaciers visible from the coast. We still do have glaciers on the U.S. side of the park. Last time I checked, there was 24 in Glacier National Park. On the Waterton side, there are 0 left. The difference, though, between a snowfield like you see here and an actual glacier is that glaciers move. A glacier is defined as a moving mass of snow and ice. And what allows it to move is what we call the critical mass, about 60 feet or 20 meters thick of snow and ice. When it reaches that point, the bottom layer being under so much pressure, it's kind of like if you had a snowball, you start to squeeze the water out. What's left behind is not really snow, but it's not quite ice. That's called firn. Under a glacier, it's super compressed. That bottom layer of firn is very elastic-like, very stretchy, so that with the steep incline of the mountain, the gravitational pull allows that glacier to very slowly start to move down the side of the mountain. So glaciers move, snowfields do not.